Hey everybody, it's time for another edition of
What We're Cooking.
And today, at least here in the Northeast, it's a windy, gray day, so thought something substantial, something to feel good. So Nick, what are we going to do here today?
Potatoes.
Baked potatoes.
Steak.
Two ways. We've got a ribeye, a boneless ribeye, and then ribeye slices. We've got
some mushrooms and some broccoli.
That's right. So we're going to start on the potatoes first because they're going to take the longest. I haven't done baked potatoes in a long time. I don't think I've ever made baked potatoes for you, Nick. Have I?
No.
Okay, so it's very simple. Just rub a little olive oil. I've washed the potatoes already, and then you stick them around with a fork. You put some holes in them. You know why?
Why?
Because these are, as they bake, they're going to release their moisture. And as they do, you want to have some holes to allow the steam to escape. Otherwise, they almost like blow up. So it's kind of the same reason why they put holes at the top of a pie when they make it, because they want that steam to escape. So this is very simple. We're just going to take this over to the little oven. We've got the oven at 450 degrees. And we're just going to put them right there on the rack and let them bake for about 45 minutes. And then
we wait.
Thank you. We're going to do steak two ways. So we've got this bigger steak that's going to cook pretty quickly. And then we've got these strips. So both, though, are basically going to be prepped in the same way. I'm going to put a little olive oil on everything. And then we're going to use our favorite, the sea salt and
paprika, pepper flakes.
No, black pepper.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. So we're going to rub the steaks and flip them over. Give a good rub. These will cook very quickly because they're so thin. It's almost like minute steaks, or what you would use in a Philadelphia steak sandwich. But so we're going to do. First the salt. Now we'll do this with the pepper on both sides. So we've got two different kinds of steak. One's going to take a little longer, so come on in. We're going to do the boneless ribeye first. I'm going to sear it on both sides, and then we'll go into the oven at about 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And then we'll work on these, which will cook very quickly. Now, I'm pre-cooking the steak because what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this for probably Saturday.
Why?
Because we've got enough with the other steak. So I'm going to...
So you were just prepping that steak?
Right, kind of part cooking it so that it's kind of done already. And then I'm going to use this to cook the mushrooms in.
Oh.
I kind of faked you out, didn't I? So I'm going to put the mushrooms in that. And some of that beautiful steak fat. And I'm going to add some butter to this. Now we're going to do these thin ribeye steaks. I think they're going to cook up pretty quickly. Look at how thin these are.
Yeah, wow.
I think these will basically be about 2 minutes on each side and they'll be done. Now, broccoli's going to cook pretty quickly, so we go with our
Daria the Butcher sea salt.
That's right, seasoned sea salt. It's got herbs and spices in it. And for a little zing,
some pepper flakes.
We'll cover it. We are done. These cooked up pretty quickly. These Snake River Farm sliced boneless ribeyes, baked potato, sautéed mushrooms, steamed broccoli, a salad, and the friends that provided the Laurel Mountain Hollow, they do the maple syrup. Well, they just have some fresh ramps. I didn't do the ramps, but I cut the greens. I made myself a ramp salad. Deborah will not get near me tonight after I eat this. So, that is another edition of
What We're Cooking.
I'm Al.
And I'm Nick. And I'm going to take this in.
All right. Those aren't all for you.
Okay.
Don't eat them.
I'm not.